Beep boop bop, it's Becca and welcome back to Baking with Becca. So today we're going to be making some vegan blueberry muffins. Now this recipe is super quick and easy and it's going to be bursting with blueberry flavor. They're going to be delicious, so here we go. So here are all of our ingredients for our muffins. Let's start over here. We have 2 cups of flour, half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of rice milk, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1.5 cups of blueberries. So first step, you want to make sure you preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And then we want to mix together our rice milk and our vinegar. So this is going to form like a curdled milk. I don't really know why, but we're going to do it. So we just add the vinegar to the rice milk and just let that sit. And then we are going to move on to doing our dry ingredients. So we just want to mix them all together. So we have our flour and our sugar, our salt, baking powder, and our baking soda. You can give that a nice whisk. So that mixes together super easily. And we want to let our rice milk curdle for another couple of minutes and then we'll add it in. Okay, so our milk is done curdling and we're going to add it into our dry ingredients. And then we also want to add in all the rest of our wet ingredients. So our oil and our vanilla. We're just adding in a little bit of lemon juice because it's going to help to bring out the blueberry flavor, add a little bit of tang. And go ahead and whisk that up.
Tang?
Yeah. Tang. Okay, that looks good. So now we want to add in our blueberries and transfer over to just using a spoon because you don't want blueberries getting stuck in your whisk. And mix that in. You just want to fold it gently. Okay, that looked beautiful, and now we are ready to add this into our muffin tin. Okay, so I sprayed my muffin tin with just a little bit of baking spray to make sure the muffins don't stick. Now you want to spoon out your batter into each crevice. So you want to fill it about 3/4 of the way, and this is going to make a solid 12 muffins. Okay, so our muffin tins are full, and now these are going to go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, but you want to keep a close eye on them. You can check them by sticking a toothpick in, and when it comes out clean, that means that they're ready. Okay, the muffins are out of the oven. The whole house smells like blueberry heaven, and so I'm going to cut one and try it. They're literally oozing with blueberries. Beautiful. You see the steam coming out. Okay, here we go. Those are incredible. The blueberries have such a nice little like tang to them, and with the lemon juice and this is so fluffy. Incredible. This recipe is so good. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Try it out and let me know what you think. Amazing muffins. And also check out some of my other recipes. If you like blueberry stuff, I made a blueberry crumb cake this summer. It was incredible, so I'll put a link to that right up here. And I'll see you next time. Bye!